Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your walls pop by using horizontal color blocking. Let's explore the dark side of color and this trendy decor idea. I popped into an AA paint discount store and they are a Plascon specialist and a part of the paint club. So I knew I was going to get all the right advice, tips and information I need to create this look. I chose my color, quantity and finish. It was that easy and now I can get started. I also picked up awesome paint accessories from Hamilton's. Let's go. Let's prep. So first I've laid down my Hamilton's Supa Soaka, which is awesome in catching any paint drops and it's reusable. Then I can get to measuring and marking. As you can see, I'm drawing a line that's a little under halfway of the wall, using a level to make sure it's straight. You want this wall line straight and crisp. Mix your paint well. Then I've just dipped enough paint on my Perfection Ensign range from Hamilton's paintbrush in 50mm size, and I'm busy cutting in on the wall, which is basically painting all the edges first before I paint the bigger surface area with a roller. I carefully decant the paint into my roller tray and then apply to the wall in even strokes up and down, just applying paint as needed. The first coat will be a bit patchy, but once you apply the second coat and even the third, it is a solid finish. The roller I'm using is the ultra-fine Velour roller and paint tray from Hamilton's. It gives a super fine, even finish, and basically it eliminates bubbling during painting. Durable and easy to clean, that goes for the roller set as well as the paint. It dries to a low sheen finish. Remove the tape while the paint is still wet. Make sure you pull the tape back on itself rather than towards you so you don't get any paint bleed. How easy is this paint technique for your wall, maximizing focus using the soothing shade of Ado Skin, leaving that fresh and breezy spring feeling in your home. Use this decor inspiration idea and invite elegance into your space.